In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a microphone not working on the Slack mobile app. If people can't hear you in a huddle or your voice notes refuse to record, it's usually a simple permission issue. We'll adjust one setting so Slack can use your device's mic safely and only when you want it to. Start on your phone's home screen and find the Slack app icon. Press and hold the icon until a small menu appears. From that menu, tap the little I or the info option to open the app info page. This page controls what Slack is allowed to access on your device, and it's where we can enable the microphone. Depending on your device, the icon may also appear as app details. They all lead to the same settings page. On the app info screen, look for permissions and tap it. Permissions are grouped here so you can quickly see what's allowed and what's not. These controls protect your privacy while letting essential features work. When audio permission is off, Slack can open but won't hear anything you say. If the microphone has been denied, Slack can't capture any audio, which is why your calls or recordings won't work. Next, tap Microphone. You'll see choices like Allow Only while using the app or Ask every time. For most people, Allow Only while using the app is the best balance of convenience and privacy. It lets Slack access your mic only when the app is open, and you're actively using features that require audio, such as huddles or recordings. If you prefer more control, Ask Every Time will prompt you each time Slack needs the mic, which is helpful if you rarely use voice features. Go ahead and select Allow Only while using the app. After you choose it, you should see Microphone move into the Allowed section for Slack. That confirms the change, and it means Slack now has the permission it needs to transmit your voice clearly whenever you use audio features. At this point, head back to Slack and try your huddle or voice message again. Because the permission is enabled, your microphone should work as expected. This small change fixes the most common cause of audio issues on Slack for mobile without opening up your microphone to background use. And that's how to fix a microphone not working on the Slack mobile app. If this walkthrough helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.